Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Python Plugin Store Enhancement, I'm going to show you an all-new update to the Python Plugin Store. This new change will help you keep track of which plugins are currently installed and which plugins require an update. First, you want to make sure that you have access to the Plugin Store. So go to Support, Plugins, Manage Plugins, and choose System Update. Press OK, and Yes to restart. Once you're back in Eclipse, you can go to Support, Plugins, and Plugin Store should be an option for you. And now in the Plugin Store, there's a version column as well as an installed column. And you see that where there's a new version, I have a new label listed. And anywhere where I don't have the plugin installed, I don't have a version listed at all. So this is really easy for me to see at a glance which plugins I haven't given a try and which plugins need an update. So I'm going to choose Boost Edit Assistant and I'm going to update this plugin. I'm going to choose Download, OK, and now if I go to Support, Plugins, Manage Plugins, I have version 1.4 downloaded and ready to use. And you can check the plugin notes for any changes in the plugin. So again, if I go to Support, Plugins, Plugin Store, Eclipse will now tell me which of these plugins I have installed and which version is installed. And now you see that the Boost Edit Assistant no longer has the new flag, and my version and the available version and the installed version now match. This should make it easier to keep track of and keep on top of all of your plugins and plugin updates. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.